Hey everybody, just a quick chicken minute today. I just got done cleaning the hen house. We have had a snap of cold weather. It was, I think at the lowest about minus 35 Fahrenheit, which is about minus 38 Celsius. It was really cold. So I had my heat lamp in the chicken house and I had replaced the bulb in this can with a 250 watt heat bulb just to keep the water thawed. Chickens had been inside for about a week. It had been not so great for them. They didn't like it. So yesterday and today, it's about 34 degrees outside. So that's about +1. It's fantastically gorgeous. So I took this time to clean out the hen house as much as I could. Some of it's still frozen down, but chickens who have been in for 2 weeks or a week and a half tend to poop a lot. So I had to clean it, and it does tend to get kind of damp in here when it starts thawing if I leave the wet bedding and the poop. So I try and clean it out as quick as I can after a cold snap because they have been in quite a bit and they have put a lot more poop in the coop than usual. So today they are all outside, mostly outside because I'm in here cleaning and they don't like that. But they've been outside playing, they've been outside dust bathing, so they're pretty happy chickens today. Just a quick chicken minute. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel where I talk a lot about chickens. Have a great day.